Are you on the hunt for the best matte eyeshadows to create bold and long-lasting looks? Whether you're a makeup pro or just starting, finding the perfect matte eyeshadow can be a game changer. Today, we're reviewing 5 amazing products that cater to every style and skin tone. From high-end to drugstore options, we've got you covered with the top 5 matte eyeshadows for this year. So, let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Huda Beauty. The Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette is one of the most beloved matte eyeshadow products on the market, known for its rich pigment and smooth texture. Available in several variations, such as the warm brown, smoky, and coral obsessions, this palette provides an array of versatile matte shades. Whether you're creating a soft, everyday look or a bold, smoky eye, this palette has everything you need to bring your vision to life. Key features: the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette is a compact, travel-friendly option featuring 9 richly pigmented shades in each palette. Its formula is finely milled, providing a buttery texture that blends effortlessly onto the eyelid. Each palette contains a range of warm, neutral, and vibrant hues, making it easy to create multiple looks. The pigmentation is buildable, ensuring versatility, whether you want a subtle wash of color or something more intense. Benefits and usage: this palette's rich pigmentation ensures vibrant and lasting results throughout the day. The matte finish of the shadows allows for smooth blending and layering, perfect for creating a seamless transition between shades. Its high-end formula means the shades won't fade or patch up, and the colors stay true to what you see in the pan. Apply directly with a brush or your finger for optimal payoff. Usability: the compact design makes it a great option for on-the-go makeup lovers. The palette's small size fits easily in your makeup bag or purse, making it perfect for travel. The selection of colors, ranging from earthy neutrals to bolder tones, gives you endless possibilities. The smooth texture ensures that the matte shadows are easy to blend, even for beginners. Durability: Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette has exceptional durability, providing long-lasting wear from morning till night. The formula is designed to resist creasing, even on oily eyelids, and ensures that the colors stay vivid throughout the day. It's also sweat-resistant, making it a solid option for warm weather or long events. In the second spot, we have Too Faced. The Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette offers a stunning range of versatile matte shades that are perfect for creating both everyday looks and more dramatic eyes. Known for its smooth texture and blendability, this palette delivers highly pigmented matte colors that work for every skin tone. If you're looking for a reliable palette to create a flawless matte finish, this is an excellent choice. Key features: this palette includes 9 matte shades, ranging from soft neutrals to deeper, bolder hues. The matte formula in each shadow is incredibly smooth, making it easy to build color without harsh lines. The shades are versatile, with a mix of warm, cool, and neutral tones, allowing for various eye looks. The palette's soft-touch packaging is also a bonus, providing a luxurious feel while being practical. Benefits and usage: the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette is ideal for those who prefer a natural, yet sophisticated, look. The neutral matte shades can be layered for different levels of intensity, making it easy to go from a soft daytime look to a bold evening look. The high-quality formula allows for effortless blending, and the shadows apply evenly, with minimal fallout. These shadows work well alone or paired with other formulas for more dimension. Usability: thanks to the thoughtful selection of shades, this palette is incredibly user-friendly, catering to both beginners and makeup enthusiasts. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Whether you're a fan of warm brown tones, soft pinks, or deep chocolate shades, the Natural Matte Palette has a color that fits your needs. Durability: the Too Faced Natural Matte Palette is known for its long-lasting wear, staying put throughout the day without creasing or fading. Whether you're heading to work, an event, or just out on a casual day, this palette offers reliable performance. It's especially great for those with oily eyelids, as the formula holds up well without sliding. Coming in at number 3 is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Anastasia Beverly Hills has long been a leader in the makeup industry, and the Soft Glam eyeshadow palette is one of its most popular matte offerings. This palette features a stunning array of matte, shimmer, and satin shades, but it's the matte options that truly stand out. With neutral tones and a few deeper shades, it's perfect for creating both everyday looks and dramatic evening makeup. Key features: the Soft Glam palette includes 14 shades, with a carefully curated mix of matte and shimmer finishes. The matte shades in this palette are incredibly blendable, offering a soft texture that glides smoothly over the eyelids. The pigment is rich, and the colors are long-lasting. The palette also features a combination of warm and cool-toned shades, which makes it perfect for creating various eye looks. Benefits and usage: the matte shades in the Soft Glam palette are incredibly versatile, suitable for both beginners and professionals alike. Whether you're looking to create a soft crease or a bold, smoked-out eye, this palette delivers. The shades build up beautifully and blend seamlessly, creating a polished look without the harsh edges often found with other matte formulas. These eyeshadows are perfect for layering and combining with other shadows in the palette for more dimension. Usability: this palette is perfect for anyone who wants to create stunning eye looks without a lot of fuss. The shades are easy to apply and blend, even for beginners, while the compact size makes it travel-friendly. You can use the lighter shades for day-to-day wear or the deeper hues to build intensity for a more dramatic look. Durability: Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows are known for their long-lasting wear, and the Soft Glam palette is no exception. These matte shadows stay put all day without fading or creasing, even without an eye primer. Whether you have oily lids or dry skin, these shadows offer exceptional performance throughout the day. Taking our 4th spot is ColourPop. ColourPop has revolutionized the beauty industry with its high-quality, budget-friendly products, and their matte eyeshadows are no exception. ColourPop offers a wide range of palettes, each containing richly pigmented matte shades that blend like a dream. Whether you're looking for warm, cool, or neutral tones, ColourPop has something for everyone. Key features: ColourPop's matte eyeshadows are known for their intense pigmentation and smooth texture. The shades are finely milled, giving them a soft, velvety feel that applies effortlessly. The shadows come in a variety of palettes, with combinations of matte shades in different hues. The pigmentation is rich and vibrant, and the formula allows for easy blending with no patchiness. Benefits and usage: these matte eyeshadows are perfect for creating bold or subtle looks, depending on your style. ColourPop's matte formula is buildable, so you can easily layer the color for more intensity. The shadows blend effortlessly without becoming streaky or uneven, making them a great choice for both beginners and experienced makeup users. With the wide range of available shades, you'll find the perfect matte colors to complement any look. Usability: ColourPop eyeshadows are incredibly versatile, offering a variety of matte shades suitable for every occasion. The compact size of the palettes makes them easy to carry, and the high pigmentation ensures a little goes a long way. Whether you want a neutral everyday look or something more dramatic, ColourPop has got you covered. Durability: ColourPop matte eyeshadows are known for their impressive longevity, staying in place all day without fading. They hold up well even on oily eyelids and provide crease-free wear throughout the day. If you're looking for a matte eyeshadow that can withstand long hours without a touch-up, ColourPop delivers. At number 5, we have Maybelline. The Maybelline New York, the Nudes eyeshadow palette brings professional quality matte shades at an affordable price. With a variety of nude tones, this palette is perfect for creating subtle, sophisticated looks or enhancing your eye shape with soft, blended matte shades. This drugstore palette has become a fan favorite for both beginners and makeup enthusiasts. Key features: the palette features 12 shades, ranging from soft beiges to deeper browns, all of which are matte. The formula is smooth, blendable, and provides a rich color payoff without being too overpowering. The shadows are buildable, allowing you to customize the intensity of your eye look. The palette's sturdy design ensures easy access to each shade for seamless application. Benefits and usage: Maybelline's The Nudes palette offers a perfect selection of matte colors that work for any occasion. Whether you're looking for a simple everyday look or a more defined, sultry eye, this palette has you covered. The shades blend effortlessly, and the long-lasting formula ensures your look stays intact all day. Usability: this eyeshadow palette is user-friendly and great for beginners. The shades are easy to apply and blend, allowing for quick, natural looks. The palette is compact, making it ideal for travel or on-the-go use. The selection of matte nudes is versatile and can complement any makeup look. Durability: for a drugstore product, the Maybelline New York The Nudes palette holds up incredibly well. The matte shades stay in place without fading or creasing, even through long hours of wear. The formula performs well even on oily lids, offering impressive longevity. And that wraps up our review of the top 5 best matte eyeshadows for this year. Whether you're after a high-end luxury brand like Huda Beauty or a more budget-friendly option like Maybelline, there's a matte eyeshadow for every style and budget. We hope this video helped you find the perfect one to elevate your eye makeup game. Be sure to drop a comment below and let us know which palette caught your eye. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more beauty tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay beautiful.